Auto chess, how to play. The object of the game is to defeat your enemy by winning multiple rounds. At the start of each round, 5 random characters will generate for you to purchase from if you want. Click on a unit to purchase it. The cost of the unit is below it, and the amount of gold you have is in the top right. Purchased units go to your bench. You can click and drag them to the field. If you purchase 3 identical units, they will upgrade to a higher, stronger level. Each unit has a rarity. Your level, indicated in the bottom left, determines the probability of the rarity of the 5 random units that are generated. Rarer units are more powerful but not unlocked until you reach higher levels. You can pay 2 gold to refresh the list of units. You earn gold at the end of each round. Click your gold icon to see the estimated earnings for the next round. You can drag units to the field. These units will fight for you automatically. You can see their attack range. If you select a unit, you can see its stats as well as special ability. Throughout the game, you will collect equipment that you can attach to your units. You can also combine your equipment together to upgrade it. If you click this button, it will automatically rearrange all of your equipment to maximize the best benefits based on your army. Once the time reaches 0, the fight begins and no more units can be added to the board. Units fight automatically, you cannot control them. Units gain special bonuses based on having different types with matching symbols. If you click this side button, you can examine your opponent's armies in further detail. Clicking on an opponent will show you their board and units. At the end of the round, the losing player will take damage equal to the combined value of their opponent's remaining forces. The last player surviving after everyone else has been eliminated wins.